Alright, looks like 7-12 we can try. And looks like I got it here. Pass Clement, Radish.
Any mid-power?
Heads up, big spin. Got it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a good tape job.
Good job.
I heard that one.
Alright, good job. Pass number 8, Larry.
Who's more fast?
Larry?
Larry!
Larry. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And maybe not.
First igniter, Larry. Pass number 9, Sam. Sam? Big red button, Sam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it's hard to get on the rod, it's not coming off.
Oh!
What happened?
Okay.